Okay, so you have a problem here and it says divide each polynomial and draw a line to its correct answer. So we have here an expression, and the first step is to Google Desmos calculator and open it up. I already did that first step and I have it right here on the side. And then I'm going to type this one out in here. So this is what I do is I start typing this out. But there's a line right here in the middle, which is a fraction. How do I type that? I open up the keyboard and I press the division sign. Automatically, it gives me this, in which I'm ready to start typing it out. So I'm going to put 6x squared minus 5x minus 21. And on the bottom, I'm going to type in 3x minus 7. As you can see, I have a line here. Now it's asking which one of these is going to match this equation. That will be explained in the later on steps. And that's it. This is the first thing that you need to do. Once you type it in, if you get a line, you did the correct step.